Maori ora whānau. Last one for the day was down there with the tamariki this morning, and well, we're still there with that, and it's still with us for today. Matariki, and yeah, a waiata for the little children, for the tamariki, down at the ABC Centre today. So as I was telling them was a story, it says once upon a time there was this constellation, this galaxy was born, and around the world it has many names, and some people call it Sabaru, and some people call it the Seven Sisters, and the Māori, they didn't have any S's, so they called it Matariki. Boo, boo. They call it Matariki, and as the story goes, Matariki and her daughters, she's one of them, she's the main star, and some of her daughters, they're all daughters, because all the boys were naughty. They're all away having rows and stuff, being tūmā tauenga and doing all that stuff. But anyway, yeah, there's many more and many other stories too, just in case. And these are just the ones we can see to our eyes. So we have Matariki and her daughters. Tipua Nuku, Tipua Rangi, Waiti, Waita, Waipuna Arangi, and the Baba, the Pōtiki, ko Ururangi. So just to help get the rota on, to help you with your reo, goes like this. TIRAMA Matariki. Try it. TIRAMA Matariki. Me ana tamariki. Me ana tamariki. Tipua nuku, tipua rangi. Wai ta. Ko waipuna rangi e. Ko te pōtiki ko ururangi. Ka pai, so you get that flow on with the kids and try it again. TIRAMA Matariki. Me ana tamariki. Tipua nuku, tipua rangi. Wai ta. Ko waipuna rangi e. Ko te pōtiki ko ururangi. Ka pai, and this is our last song for the day, but just so we can put it out there, it's out there for Matariki. Use it at home or in your school or wherever, or at your university. Cut it out, mohi. Here we go. TIRAMA Matariki. Me ana tamariki. Tipua nuku, tipua rangi. Wai ta. Ko waipuna rangi e. Ko te pōtiki ko ururangi. Last time. TIRAMA Matariki. Me ana tamariki. Tipua nuku, tipua rangi. Wai ta. Ko waipuna rangi e. Ko te pōtiki ko ururangi. And they all lived happily ever after. E rongo whakairia ki runga kia tīna, haumi e hui e, taiki e. Mauri ora whānau.